Welcome to the Dynova AI training video series. In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to find videos in Dynova AI. Go to the left menu and click on Video Finder. Here you can search top-rated YouTube videos by keywords. You can use our advanced search option to get more perfect results. Just click on Search and your search result is ready. All the top-ranked videos will be shown in search results. You can view the videos.
Meet Joey, a digital marketer. He works as the head of digital marketing for Amazon. But how
You can also add videos to your playlist. You can view your all saved videos in Saved Video section. Thanks for watching the video.